Hello, I'm Januar. I'm from Asin City, Southern Leyte, Visayas, Philippines. I'm a native Cebuano speaker with a clear, neutral accent in Cebuanong Binisaya. I hold a doctorate degree in public administration and have a year and a half of experience as an adjunct professor in both college and university settings. Additionally, I'm a TEFL certified and currently teach English lessons to Japanese students as an ESL teacher. If you're interested in learning the Cebuano language for business, education, or to connect with your loved ones here in the Philippines, you've come to the right place. I offer tailored lessons for every learner, and I'm skilled at teaching both adults and children. So, what are you waiting for? Book na! Magtuon ta og Cebuanong Binisaya. Book a class and let's start learning Visayan Cebuano. Thank you and have a great day ahead. See you!